In this video, we will be going over the usage of the Chromebook you are seeing. Let us start by opening the package and reviewing its contents. Best practices are that you keep the package and its contents in a safe place, as you may be returning this device or prepping it for transport. The package contains a power adapter and cable, as well as a user manual for more instructions. On the left-hand side of the computer, we see a USB Type-C port where you plug your power, USB 3.0, memory card slot, and headphone jack. On the right-hand side, we have an LTE slot, USB port, Type-C, and a locking slot. The Chromebook has a standard keyboard setup, with a pointing device or trackpad on the bottom, and a power or standby button on the top right hand corner. It also has an adjustable camera for Zoom calls and video calls. To get started, plug the power cable into the adapter, then into a wall slot. Then you can plug it into the left-hand side of your Chromebook. When loading the screen, you'll be greeted with the guest login page. Click the arrow to advance. It is very important to read the terms and agreements before you continue. Click the arrow to advance. Notice that the terms of service could not be loaded unless you establish a Wi-Fi connection. Go down to the bottom right-hand corner into the Wi-Fi settings. Click the drop-down menu to locate your Wi-Fi service. When you click the drop-down menu, if you see the Wi-Fi network Khajiit, you have to log into that with no password before finding your own Wi-Fi and logging into that with your password. The blue bar under Network says that the Chromebook is looking for your Wi-Fi network. After you have found it, click it, and you'll be prompted with a password input screen. Input your password and then click Connect. After you connect, reload the service page. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted with the Browsing Technology homepage. You are there fully free to browse the internet. In this example, I've typed pictures of nature and I'm able to browse the search input. You're also able to browse other things like medicine if you're looking up for your prescription. Browse freely. After you're finished browsing, you can close all windows and end the session. You'll be then greeted with the guest login page. You can then close your computer and proceed with your day. Thank you for watching.